What the fuck is up, niggas?
Yeah.
Nicki Mags, man. And today is the Nicki Mags video shoot day, right?
I didn't see that.
How do you not see that?
I
You're
didn't
holding this shit and you're just like, I didn't know.
I just got it from somewhere different. Okay.
Alright, but anyways, you know, we've been having a fun time. It's been cool. We just started this shit, getting a few scenes. I'm waiting for the girls to call. Hopefully we're gonna have them doing some nice dancing stuff routine in here. Shout out to the girls if they come. Anyways, but yeah, pretty much now we're just waiting for more people to take the other scenes we got coming. Fuck this shirt. And then, you know, we're just gonna leave it at that. We here. Yako's right there, but he probably doesn't want to be seen by the camera. There he is. Anyways, he's like, and then there's two more dudes walking that way. There's a deal holding this camera right now. I'll show you something. The camera's just like, Jesus. And then we got two more dudes coming up here. What up? Watch me say hello, dude. Hello, dude. What up, man?
I'm fine.
Hello, good?
Yeah.
Mitä mies? Alright, what's up?
What's up, what's up? Ain't nothing here with these two goofballs. Nah, I'm just kidding, man. Well, we recording. Not right now, this is the vlog, but you know, we've had a good day recording. Let me introduce Phil right quick to my right, Mr. Johnny, and why he's here. He's the Finnish Hobson, if you haven't noticed. Look at his face, look at his eyes. Alright, that's enough of that. But now I would like you, ladies and gentlemen, the viewers, to say hello to the Mr. Naked Monkey King's creator right there. So,
Yo, what's up? NMK all day.
Mr. Yachty, man. And pretty much now we're just waiting for the girls, as I said before in the previous part. We're gonna do a little hip hop dancing with them. After we get that part done, I think today is a good fucking cutoff point. And then tomorrow we'll do the bar scenes, the car scenes, and just all the balling shit to make me look baller, you know what I'm saying? Adil, say what's up right quick one more time. That's what it is, baby. As I said to the camera, I'm tired as fuck, man. You ain't getting my good side, it's the bad side. Come here in the front and get the good side. Come here in the front. Now we just some gangsters. We just don't blame.
Okei, eli. Kaunis päivä Helsingissä. Tosi lämmintä, vaikka mulla on tää takki, aurinko paistaa ja mulla on kuvaamassa Nickin uutta videoa. Mikä se biisin nimi on? Eli Nicki Mags Vibin' and Ventin. Tosi nättiä jälkeä tulossa. Tän pitäisi tulla myös aika nopealla tahdilla ulos. Eli me kuvataan tää nyt. Tää on nyt helppoa kun on niin hyvät kelit, niin saadaan nopeasti kortit täyteen ja sitten niin joku reilu viikko, niin puolitoista viikkoa, niin sit laitetaan tää ulos. Siitä jatketaan seuraaviin projekteihin. Ihan jees. Meillä on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 äijää. Ihan hauskaa hommaa. Well, say something.
I don't gotta say nothing. My face is of 1,000 words. Like, damn, this nigga cute.
Mikä meininki?
No, ei niin.
Mikä meni? Tästä saadaan tietää hyvää materiaalia vähän sinne väleihin. Tuohon V-logiin. 3 ugly niggas.
Yo, what up, Vlog, check what shit going on right now. I got the dance crew, the Misfits right now. They about to do that thing, man. Check this shit out, baby. It's 10. It's 10.
Click. And all these bad bitches, man.
Jari, take this. Take this and videotape me while I go bounce. Hold this.
Man, I can't do it both.
Yo, where we going?
Jari, what's up?
What's up?
Mitä tapahtuu?
Me ollaan Nicki In videokuvauksissa enää me.
Joo.
NMK on paikalla.
Kyllä, loistavaa. Joni, mikä meno? Mikä meno?
Ainakin mun mielestä saatiin tytöt tänne.
Loistavaa.
Mikään ei voi.
Mites tytöt, mikä fiilis tällä hetkellä?
Kuuma.
Mitä me ollaan tekemään nyt tällä hetkellä?
Etsitään ilmeisesti jotain katua mestaa, mistä voidaan tanssia.
Niin joku semmonen niinku katu, mihin voi ihan törkeästi mennä vaan siihen keskelle ja vallata se. Siitä tulee siistiä. Se on just sopiva räppivideo, eiks?
Kyllä vähän se on just siitä kyse. Niin.
On.
Rikotaan sääntöjä.
Näin jo. Nick, what's up?
Ain't nothing. I'm good.
What's happening right now?
We walking
Where?
to where we going to actually.
He doesn't know where we are.
I have no
we tried
idea.
asking, he doesn't know.
It's what it is.
And you're supposed to
man.
be the boss right now?
I am the boss. Look, everything's going. Everyone's smiling. Everything's going good. I'm still a boss. Man.
Alright, fair enough.
Yeah. Oh,
Eli me ollaan Helsingissä Navy Jerry's baarissa. Niki järkkäsi meille. Ja meillä on 2 tyttöä mukana. Osallistuu kuvauksiin ja pienessä roolissa. Ja ilmeisesti ihan hauskaa, että tässä on business.
No, not really. Still drunk.
yeah. As you can see, what's going on here is this is the music video. We keep it official. Everyone's on point, on cue. Everyone had a full night of rest. We're ready. No heavy partying happened. So yeah, let's hope this video shoot goes well too. Thanks. Now right here we have the 2 beautiful misfits right here. Mrs. Krista right here and
Can you say that again? Please.
Krista right here from Misfits and Miss Nikki. She calls herself Dow, but I'm gonna say Doe in this case.
Doe.
Nikki Doe. She gonna get Doe soon enough. And of course the homie T.A. and Mr. Adil right there. This is the last day of video recording and I'm gonna ask all people, how do you think it went? First.
Okay, we're the professionals, with the girls, even the guys were a bit amateurish, but
Okay, Nick, how do you think it went? You, yourself.
I myself think it went extraordinary. Well, I was professional as fuck, disregard what she just said. Hey, it went well. Everyone had laughs, smiles, everyone had a great time. I think, this was a great project. I thought of this shit like a month ago. Did not think it would turn out this great. I had fun. You guys have fun?
yeah, yes, definitely.